Welcome to today's video. Whether you're new to learning Thok Nath or just looking for a refresher, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're going to go over some common greetings that you can use in everyday situations. Let's get started. In this section, we're going to be going over the initial greetings. I'm going to say the phrase in English and then I will repeat it in Thok Nath. Peace be with you, or hello, Male. My pleasure, or I'm happy, Chiloy de Tet. Welcome, Berkamal. How are you doing? Nangajidi. How is life treating you? Tek Changajidi. You've been MIA. Chibat. Good morning. Mala Karunwang. Good afternoon. Mala Kashangdar. Good evening. Mala Katyang. And if it's nighttime, Mala Kawar. Initial greetings continued. Did you have a good morning? Shiba Kamal. Did you have a good day? Shibut Kamal. Did you have a good evening? Chityang Kamal. Did you have a good night? Chuwar Kamal. How was your morning? Chibagadi. How was your day? Chibudadi. How was your evening? Chitiangadi. How was your night? Chiwaradi. How did you sleep? Chinianadi. Now that we've covered some basic greetings, let's go over some farewell or exiting greetings. Have a good morning. Bagni Kamal. Have a good day. Budni Kamal. Have a good evening. Tiangni Kamal. Have a good night. Wara Kamal. Sleep well. Nini Kamal. We will talk later. Bukon muangayo. We will talk again soon. Bukon muanganyok. Kagwad matot. We will talk again another day. Bukon muanganyok kasyang madong. I will miss you. Bajitim. Exiting or farewell greetings continued. I love you. Nagaji. See you later. Bukon jagayo. We will meet again. Bukon jaganyok. We will meet on another day. Bukon jakasyang madong. We will meet again tomorrow. Bukon yakajak irun. Take care of yourself. Tiro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you're feeling so much more confident in your Thok Nath. Until next time.